Ooh. We got our Escalade back, or our client's Escalade. Came to us completely stock, but as you can see, there's a lot more black pieces everywhere because, well, we did a chrome delete. So that was chrome, now it's gloss black. Door handles were chrome, gloss black. So I know exactly what you're thinking. How can we have a car that we just blacked out and still have silver stock wheels? Well, guys, don't worry. We're gonna be fixing that with these HF61 in tint gloss black. It's gonna look really good. It's gonna match with the whole chrome delete that we have going on, the blackout we have going on.
I've never seen a factory lock kit that is opened all the way.
What do you mean?
They're always just like this, where you have to just like squeeze your hand in. Like,
yeah.
Like the techs are too lazy to open.
Oh. Well, you know, you can change that by opening it yourself entirely. Be the first.
I don't want to cut my hand.
Ugh. This is how the Escalade should have come from factory, in my opinion. Brand new Escalade had a lot of chrome on it, which is fine for most people, but not for us. So what we had to do was de-chrome everything. From the grille to the door steps to the door handles, trim pieces in the back, even the roof rails. Everything had to become gloss black. I'm really surprised that Cadillac doesn't offer this as an option for factory, but we couldn't just stop there because the wheels were still chrome. So we had to change those out to Vossen HF61, and they look really good. The multi-spoke design really gives it that luxury feel back into the whole setup, but because of the tinted gloss black finish, it ties right back in with all the gloss black trim that we now have. So it's literally the perfect combination. I don't think it could look any better than this. Love how the whole thing came out. The client's gonna be happy when they see this.